How to unblock someone on Snapchat. If you want to learn how you can do it, make sure you keep watching this video until the end. And before you get into the video, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. If you have previously tried to unblock someone, you must have tried to search their usernames, but you may have noticed that you wouldn't see their usernames because they have been blocked from your profile and you wouldn't be able to see them. Now to unblock them, you can simply head over to your profile section on the top left and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom where you have an option of blocked. Right here you can tap on blocked, and on the block section you'll be able to see all the people that you've blocked. Now to simply unblock them, you can tap on this cross besides their name and tap on yes. And there you go. Now that person has been unblocked from your profile. That's how easily you can unblock someone on Snapchat. If you guys liked and found this video useful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.